Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngomfundo Vilakazi, but before sikhuluma ngomfundo Vilakazi, nginombuzo la ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ine-chance yokuthi iwine iligi na? If ucabanga ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ine-chance yokuthi iwine iligi, ufuna ukuyi-explaina kahle, this is my number. Ungakhonta ungisendele i-voice note kusasa, ngizothatha ama-voice note wenu, or mase sengibona ukuthi nginama-voice note enough about abantu abakhomentayo, and then ngizowa-eda la. Ngithathile i-video, do you think Kaizer Chiefs will win the league? And then-ke ngizwa ama-comment wenu. Na inamba yami 063 443 5381. Asiphinde bafowethu 063 443 5381. So if khona umuntu ozongisendela i-message, ningisendele i-VN and then uphendula umbuzo ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ine-chance ukuwina iligi, and then kumele yenzeni if ifuna ukuwina iligi bafowethu. Okay, earlier on ngiphoste i-clip about umfundo Vilakazi akhuluma ngokuthi uthanda ukubonga ulokhunjana ugogo wakhe laphana, akafuni lutho ngogogo wakhe. Uthi uyakhumbula one day laphana uthi wafeyila i-test or so noma wafeyila, but ubaba kwamtshela ukuthi ile ndaba yakhe yebhola ekufeyilisayo, but-ke ubaba kwamtshela ukuthi ungaphindi uye kule nto yakho le yebhola, but ugogo wakhe uthi wamkhulumela wamtshela ukuthi yekela ingane yenze lento le eyifunayo. So kula ubaba kwamthengela khona iy'cathulo noma amakhokho ukuthi ahambe akwazi ukuyodlala laphana egroundini or adlale ngazo. Uthi mebuya iy'cathulo zakhe bey'ngcolile, ubaba wakhe befuna ukumshaya, but-ke ugogo wakhe wamela futhi bafethu, uthi that is why angafuni lutho ngogogo wakhe. I'm paraphrasing, khona izinto akazishongo direct so, but I'm just paraphrasing to make it more interesting. Ningakhohlwa bafethu, you have an opportunity ukuthi abantu banizwe kumanye ama-clip, ningisendele i-VN laphana ku-WhatsApp, inamba yami njengoba bengishiyerile. So siyabadinga abantu aba-important abafana nabogogo kaMfundo Vilakazi, ukuthi uyakwazi ukuspotha something engaba nkulu and then ucreate, like uya-understand man umagogo ukuthi ezinye izinto zidinga nje ukuthi umntwana focus kuzo ukuze abe ne-better chance of becoming something big and huge around kulento le, around the community or kulento le ayenzayo. So kubalulekile, sometimes you just need a moment, incane moment, and then ichintshe impilo yakho forever. So kudos to ugogo laphana kaMfundo Vilakazi ngokubona ukuthi man there's something kulo mfana ngalento le ayenzayo, noma kuthiwa abanye abantu abayiboni. Maybe akusisikolo into yakhe, maybe le bhola leli lakhe manje nali ibhola lakhe liyamsebenzela bafethu, limthatha from eSoweto uyabo Machili, uyabo Makhongo, Angola, continental football, which is the CAF, what is this, under 20 AFCON le abayiwina bama-champions wase-Africa. E-Europe manje sekune-interest ukuthi bayamfuna, so impilo yakhe itshentshe kakhulu umfana in a short period of time. I remember just not so long ago ngimbona laphana elokishini edlala eDustini, but-ke manje is one of the biggest stars ku-South African football. Is one of the biggest stars in terms of like ukuthi abantu bayamthanda on the ground. Akadingi ukuthi awine lutho bafethu ukuthi abantu bamthande, but abantu bamthanda nje natural cause of urepresenta istage se-Kaizer Chiefs esi-different, istage la i-identity ye-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi iflair iyafuneka, ushukela uyafuneka ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So it's not just about playing football, but also it's about entertainment. U-entertain obani, thousands and thousands, hundreds of thousands or millions of people that are watching across South Africa every time i-Kaizer Chiefs meyidlala. And then identity yakhona yaqala lento ngabo-1970 bafethu, ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs uma iwina kumele ibonise solo i-identity yabo ukuthi baligibele or balenzani or bayadlala, but-ke kumele kube noshukela. Umfundo Vilakazi ubanika leyo nto leyo. Akusiwuye kuphela oneflair ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bakhona abaneflair sebasibonisile nabo-Cross ukuthi they can do something special with the ball. Into ejabulisa ama-fans. Khona ama-moment thola ukuthi i-moment ya 2 seconds, but-ke i-lasta for isikhathi eside ku-memory yama-fans because of, I mean, ushaya 3 goals, do something for the fans. Bathatha iy'mali zabo baya estadium. Bit of entertainment won't kill you. I won't kill anyone in fact. Lento lo ukuthi abantu bazofuna ukudlala isi-Europe kuphela, wonke umuntu kumele alandele lo layini loyo ngoba usibanibani wase-Europe wathi kudlalwa kanje. No, play your identity. the way wena ofuna ukudlala ngayo. You cannot gibela ibhola kuyi-1-0 kwi-first half, no, that's just being reckless. But you can definitely gibela the ball when you lead 3-0, same way as bebalide laphana kuCabo Scope, umfana wanika ama-fans into bebayi-expectile. Simfisela inhlanhla umfana ku-career yakhe ukuthi izinto zimhambele kahle. They've signed some good players ukuthi bazokwazi ukusiza i-Kaizer Chiefs. For me, before ngiyivala yonke lento le, because of ngizobona ama-VN, if ngizowathola ama-VN from nina bafowethu, ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ine-chance na ukuthi wine iligi isovala ngobaba kaMayo, ukuthi ubaba kaMayo yena utheni. Funny enough, I was listening to him, bengimbukele but I forgot ukuyi-mention-a lento leyo ukuthi uthi iMamelodi Sundowns akusaseyile iMamelodi Sundowns le esijwayele, kusho ukuthi nje iligi i-there for i-Kaizer Chiefs, so bane-good chance ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ba-compete for i-league ngoba iMamelodi Sundowns ayi-dominate the way it used to dominate this season. So uthi futhi kuyabonakala ukuthi ngeke ba-dominate, uthi uyakubona lokho. So uma ekhuluma nge-domination ubaba kaMayo, ukhuluma ngendaba yokuthi like babe nama-point amaningi compared to abanye abantu, kube like sebalide ngaboma-10 plus points, yonke leyo nto leyo, but ama-team aseduze neMamelodi Sundowns. So kusho ukuthi i-league is there for the taking for i-Orlando Pirates, for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I think kuzoba exciting ngempela ukubona lama-teams lawa amakhulu awu-3 wasebholeni lase-South Africa lweli league, but only one team ingakwazi ukuyithola i-league. Orlando Pirates for some time siyazi ukuthi ifinishe for number 2. Sekwaze they coined a phrase yokuthi they are the best number 2 in the country. But this time around i-Kaizer Chiefs ngathi ivukele emaqandeni ifuna ukuba serious. Sithemba ukuthi i-continental football ngeke imoshe i-rhythm ye-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bakwazi ukucompete for i-league, cause bazotravela baye lena lena, bazolimala abanye abadlali ama-suspension, but kumele bakwazi, bane-squad esibig enough esingakwazi ukucompete domestic and international, which is the CAF Confederations Cup. They have a big match, ama-matches. Ukudlala nama-teams obviously lawa ase-Egypt kuba nzima ukudlala nama-teams ase-Egypt because banenkani yabo nje nabo. Mentally if you're not strong ngeke ukwazi ukuwina against ama-team ase-Egypt. So they have to show ukuthi ba-strong, they have to show ukuthi ba-ready. Yeah, what a season is gonna be for i-Kaizer Chiefs because bazojajwa iligi uma seyiphelile. Okwamanje no one will judge them, no one will really judge i-Kaizer Chiefs once the season wraps, and then uzobona-ke ukuthi sobona ukuthi abantu bazothina ekugcineni. But yeah, I would really love to see the league going down to the wire ekugcineni, sibone ukuthi thola ukuthi kusele, imagine if kusele 3 games ama-teams uyabona ukuthi ayagijimisana alwela ukuthi athola ama-point, hoping ukuthi amanye aluze. And enye into ezokwenza i-league ibe exciting, when these big teams play, abanye bazoluza or abanye kuzoba i-draw, uthola ukuthi omunye uphambili omunye usemuva, so it's gonna be exciting. Let's hope i-Kaizer Chiefs they don't drop the ball, and then nabo bazozama ukulwa until the end of i-season yonke, especially for i-league. I don't know if kungenzakalani if i-Kaizer Chiefs ingakwazi ukuwina i-league before i-Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates, they've chased i-league for so long, but they keep falling short of getting a league because of Mamelodi Sundowns. They've been so good or too good throughout the couple of seasons that we've witnessed them. But kunenkulumo ezithi ayifani iMamelodi Sundowns. Kusho abantu abaningi njengoba nobaba kaKhanyisa Mayo eshilo laphana ukuthi kune-chance for ama-teams amanye ukuthi a-compete for i-league. They're not dominating as before. But abantu abane-experience, you cannot write them off ukuthi abana chance at all. But-ke we'll see. Yazi mangizoyivala laba futhi. But I want to say this. I'm seeing izolo, I was like, let me check ukuthi abantu bapostani lana ku-YouTube nakuboma-Facebook. Then I realized ukuthi abantu bayapostela uDoti. Mangithi uDoti bayapostela amanga just ukuthi bathole ama-click rate or ama-views amaningi. And then abantu abanye mabakhomenta lese kule page leli bazothi I hope lento le iyiqiniso, kwezinye izinto enginokuzisho even nama-transfers bangakafiki nabo bani ku-Kaizer Chiefs, abo Igadaro kusase ama-rumors. I was trying to push for those things, and then ithi uthi ubheka amanye ama-page ubona amanye ama-page when I track back to lawo ma-page mangibheka izona vele kuthiwa final deal apholisa ujoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs. Hawu, uzibuza ukuthi why would they produce izinto ezikanjena kugcwele wona lama-page lawa aney'ndaba ey'bhedayo isikhathi esiningi and aba more famous than ama-page wethu. Uthole ukuthi lelo page lithola 50,000 views nge-video eyi-one, amanga kuphela. But yeah, it is what it is. Cela ukuyibamba la, sendana ama-voice note. So ama-voice note noma ungasenda yiphi into, so noma ungasenda about ini into ofuna ngiyikhave, or ungakhomenta ku-certain player nge-subject and then mina ngizoqhubeka lapho. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, simake sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers and so builda i-page eli-good enough ukuthi sifike ku-100. I-page mani li-strong enough ukuthi likwazi ukuwumela. Sibuilde nama-group laphana ku-WhatsApp. Ngicela ukuyibamba la. Danko.